Listen up. Today we're diving into something crucial for anyone in the food industry. We're talking food safety here, and that's serious business. It's not just about keeping things clean, it's about ensuring every bite is safe for consumers. The BRCGS stands for Brand Reputation Compliance Global Standards. This certification is a global benchmark for food safety and quality. Think of it like the Michelin star system, but for food factories. Just as a Michelin star signifies excellence in the culinary world, the BRCGS certification signifies top-tier standards in food production. If you want to play in the big leagues and sell your food to the big supermarkets, you need this badge of honor. Supermarkets and retailers look for this certification as a mark of trust and quality. It's all about proving to the world that your food is safe and top-notch. This means rigorous testing, constant monitoring, and adhering to strict guidelines. No dodgy dealings, no cutting corners. Integrity is key. Every step of the process, from sourcing ingredients to the final product, must meet the highest standards. The BRCGS standard is a hefty document, but it's divided into sections to make it digestible. Each section covers different aspects of food safety, from hazard analysis to quality management systems. We're going to dissect Section 1, which is the foundation of it all. This section lays the groundwork for everything else, covering the basic principles and requirements that every food business must follow. Section 1 emphasizes the importance of having a robust food safety plan. This includes identifying potential hazards, implementing control measures, and regularly reviewing and updating the plan. It's not just about having a plan on paper, it's about making sure everyone in the organization understands and follows it. Training and communication are crucial. Regular training sessions ensure that all employees are aware of the latest food safety protocols and understand their role in maintaining these standards. Audits and inspections are a big part of the BRCGS certification process. These ensure that the food safety plan is being effectively implemented and that the business is compliant with all requirements. Achieving BRCGS certification is a significant milestone for any food business. It not only boosts the company's reputation, but also opens doors to new markets and opportunities. For consumers, seeing the BRCGS logo on a product provides peace of mind. It assures them that the product has been produced to the highest standards of safety and quality. So remember, the BRCGS certification is more than just a piece of paper. It's a commitment to excellence, a promise to consumers, and a testament to the hard work and dedication of everyone involved in the food production process. By adhering to these standards, food businesses can ensure they are producing safe, high-quality products that meet the expectations of both retailers and consumers. As we move forward, let's keep these principles in mind and strive to maintain the highest standards in everything we do. The gold standard isn't just a goal, it's a way of life in the food industry. Let's continue to uphold these standards and ensure that our products are always safe, high quality, and trusted by consumers around the world. This section is all about commitment. Commitment here is about something much deeper, more profound. It's about a long-term vision and dedication that goes beyond the surface level. It's about the senior management at the top, the heads really buying into food safety. These leaders need to understand that their role is crucial in setting the tone for the entire organization. Their commitment can make or break the company's food safety culture. They need to put their money where their mouth is, invest in the right equipment, and ensure that the latest technology is being used to maintain the highest standards of food safety. This isn't just about buying gadgets, it's about making strategic investments that will pay off in the long run. Training is another critical area. It's not enough to have the best equipment if the people using it aren't properly trained. Continuous professional development and regular training sessions are essential to keep everyone up to date with the latest food safety protocols and practices. It's like when I splash out on a new set of tires for my car. It's an investment in performance and safety, just as I wouldn't skimp on something as important as my car's tires. Senior management shouldn't cut corners when it comes to food safety. This section also demands a food safety policy, a clear statement that outlines the company's commitment to keeping things squeaky clean. This policy should be more than just words on paper. It should be a living document that guides the company's actions and decisions. No ifs, ands, or buts. The policy should be unequivocal, leaving no room for ambiguity. It should clearly state the company's commitment to food safety and outline the steps that will be taken to ensure that this commitment is met. Senior management's commitment also involves fostering a culture of collaboration and open communication. Employees at all levels should feel empowered to speak up about food safety concerns and suggest improvements. This kind of environment encourages everyone to take ownership of food safety. Regular reviews and audits are another crucial aspect. Senior management should ensure that food safety performance is regularly monitored and evaluated. This involves looking at detailed reports, analyzing data, and making necessary adjustments to improve practices. Leadership should also be visible and vocal about their commitment to food safety. When the CEO or other top executives speak passionately about the importance of food safety, it sends a powerful message to the entire organization. Recognizing and rewarding employees who excel in food safety practices can also reinforce the importance of this commitment. When employees see that their efforts are valued, they are more likely to continue striving for excellence. In the end, senior management's commitment to food safety is about creating a culture where everyone understands the importance of their role in maintaining high standards. It's about celebrating successes and learning from mistakes, all while keeping the ultimate goal in mind, ensuring the safety and well-being of consumers. This commitment should be reflected in the company's mission statement and core values. It should be a fundamental part of the organization's identity, guiding every decision and action. By truly committing to food safety, senior management can build a strong foundation for the company's success. It's a collaborative effort that requires dedication, investment, and a clear vision for the future. So, when we talk about senior management commitment, we're talking about a comprehensive, all-encompassing dedication to food safety that permeates every level of the organization. It's about setting the standard and leading by example. And when senior management is truly committed, it inspires everyone else to follow suit, creating a unified, focused effort towards maintaining the highest standards of food safety. Culture is a slippery fish to define, but in food safety, it's all about making sure everyone's singing from the same hymn sheet. It's not just about following rules, it's about creating an environment where food safety is second nature to everyone involved. This means fostering a sense of shared responsibility and mutual respect among all team members. Everyone from the factory floor to the CEO's office needs to understand the importance of food safety and their role in upholding it. This isn't just a top-down directive, it's a collective effort that requires buy-in from every single person in the organization. When everyone understands their role and the impact they have, it creates a cohesive and effective food safety culture. Think of it like a football team. Everyone needs to know their position and play their part to win the game. Just as a football team practices and strategizes together, a food safety team must also work in unison, understanding each other's strengths and weaknesses and supporting one another to achieve the common goal of maintaining high food safety standards. Communication is key here, folks. Open lines of communication ensure that everyone's on the same page and that any potential issues are addressed properly. This means not only talking, but also listening and understanding the concerns and suggestions of all team members. Regular meetings, toolbox talks, and feedback mechanisms all help to foster a positive food safety culture. These practices create opportunities for continuous learning and improvement, allowing the team to stay updated on best practices and new regulations. They also provide a platform for employees to voice their ideas and concerns, which can lead to innovative solutions and a stronger, more resilient food safety culture. By making food safety a regular topic of discussion, it becomes ingrained in the daily operations and mindset of the entire organization. HACP stands for Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. And no, it's not some complicated mathematical formula. It's a systematic approach to identifying and managing potential hazards in the food production process. Imagine you're building a car. You wouldn't just slap it together and hope for the best, would you? You'd have a detailed plan to ensure every component is assembled correctly and safely. That's what a HACCP plan does for food safety. Now, this is where things get a bit paper-heavy, but it's essential. Section 1 calls for a robust food safety and quality management system. It's like having a well-organized toolbox. You need the right tools for the job, and everything needs to be in its place. This includes clear, documented procedures for everything from pest control to allergen management. It's about having a system in place that's consistent, traceable, and always improving. Think continuous improvement, like tweaking your car engine for optimal performance. Cleanliness is next to godliness, as they say, and nowhere is it more important than in food production. Section 1 sets out clear standards for the factory environment, covering everything from building design to waste management. We're talking spotless floors, well-maintained equipment, and proper ventilation. It's like keeping your kitchen spick and span, only on a much larger scale. A clean working environment is a safe working environment. Product control, from farm to fork. Section 1 doesn't stop at the factory door. It also covers product control throughout the supply chain. This means ensuring that all ingredients and raw materials meet the required standards. It's about traceability, knowing where everything comes from and having systems in place to prevent contamination at every stage. Think of it like a relay race. Each runner needs to do their part to ensure the baton reaches the finish line safely. Process control. Consistency is king. This section is all about making sure that every product that rolls off the production line is identical and safe. It's about having standardized procedures and controls in place for every step of the process. Think of it like baking a cake. You wouldn't just chuck ingredients in a bowl and hope for the best. You'd follow a recipe to ensure consistency every time. That's what process control is all about. Personnel trained and ready to go. You can have all the fancy equipment and procedures in the world, but it's the people who make it all work. Section 1 stresses the importance of having competent, trained staff who understand their responsibilities. This includes everyone from the production line workers to the quality assurance team. It's like having a well-trained pit crew. They need to be on top of their game to ensure the car performs best. Buckle up, it's time to get certified. So there you have it, a whistle-stop tour of BRCGS Section 1. It's the foundation for building a robust food safety system, and it's all about commitment, culture, and control. Remember, achieving BRCGS certification isn't a walk in the park. It takes time, effort, and investment, but trust me, the rewards are worth it. It's like earning your racing stripes. It shows the world you're serious about food safety and quality. Now go forth and conquer.